Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Youku app. We go to settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Youku app and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us.